Welcome to the Marco hosted voice Yealink W56H and T59R series phone overview. The W56H is your standard cordless phone, where the T59R is built to withstand rough handling. Let's begin by going over the different buttons. The functions are the same on both phones. To access the call history, press the top left-hand button. You can use the right arrows to navigate through the different options. Press the top left to check the line status. Changing the ringer volume is done by using the left and right arrow keys. Press the up arrow to access the intercom list, and then the down arrow to access the directory. To place a call, simply dial the 10-digit number or the 4-digit extension, and then press the green key. To mute the call, press the mute button, and the call will indicate that it's muted up on the screen. To unmute, press the mute button again. If you wish to place the call on hold, press that top right key, arrow down to hold, and press OK. To pick the call back up, press resume. To transfer a call, press the transfer button in the bottom left-hand corner and enter the extension or the number you wish to transfer to, and then press the transfer option. To access your voicemail, press the message key, arrow down to your extension, and press OK. From there, you'll be prompted to enter your PIN, and once that's done, you can listen, save, and delete your messages. To add contacts to the directory, simply press the down arrow, select Options, and arrow down to New Contact, and press OK. Enter in the information, and click Save. Thank you for tuning in. Visit Marco's YouTube page for more helpful Yealink how-to videos.